Hello, this video that I'm doing today is on Dropbox, and it is a cloud storage app. As you can see here, it's in the Android market, and it's a free application. The version that I'm using here is this 2.4.2 version. So let's go ahead and get into the app. So we go into the app and you get this welcome screen. And you are asked to sign in. So I went ahead and I'm signing into my Dropbox. Then the next screen that comes up is it asks you, would you like to upload your pictures and your videos? So it's called camera upload. And you have the ability to add or remove videos by clicking this on or off button here. I turn it on, so I'm just going to click turn on camera upload, and look at that, it's uploading what I did yesterday. So it's still pretty early today. I haven't done any pictures, but this was I was taking screenshots of my phone of a moving wallpaper, so that I can get a still wallpaper, and I was trying to get the perfect shot. So I just took a whole bunch of them, and actually I got a lot of really good ones, and they're still on my phone. I haven't deleted them, and so it just uploaded them. And then this is, the stuff, and then what it does is it categorizes it by day, and then by week. So and then it does it by month. So it does today, and it does yesterday, and then it does this week, and then it does last week, and then it does last month. So this is all last week, and then see this month. So you get 2 days, 2 weeks, and then it starts categorizing it by the months. And if you run out of months, then it starts categorizing it by the year. You can also come here to this section, and this is everything that's on your Dropbox. So when you hit the Dropbox, that takes you to everything that's on your Dropbox, and these are different folders of different things. So I have it set to automatically upload my pictures, but I do upload other things to it as well, things for my phone, things for my computer. And so this is where all of the pictures go. It's a camera uploads folder. Now what I've started to do is, because I'm starting to find it difficult to locate pictures here, I'm now going to create folders. So I've created a personal folder and a family folder. I'm going to create a wallpapers folder, quotes folder, because I have a lot of different photographs. I have different quotes that I like, just things to kind of live by and remember. I have wallpapers. I just have different photographs that I like. I have videos, so I want to separate my videos out. If you have videos, it always puts a little video camera in the corner. I don't know if you can see that here on these images here. They're not actually pictures, but they're videos, and you can play your videos from here. You can just click it and it'll come up with the option to play. You can view your images the same way. That's just a wallpaper, so that's what it looks like. So you can actually view them. The other thing that you can do is, because what I like to do is upload everything to the Dropbox and then delete it all off my phone for space. But if I find that I want to use it, all I have to do is click this, and you see this export option. If you say export, it'll give you all these different options where you can send this photograph. And the first one is the SD card. So you say the SD card, and then you get to choose the place you want to export it to. I always export it to pictures because I think that's just easier. And then you press export, and it's done. So that's another way in order to save space and still be able to utilize them. Because somebody would say, well, why would you put your wallpapers there? Well, because I have 300 or 400 wallpapers, and I don't want them taking up that space on my phone. Um, so that's the system that I've put in place here. The other thing is if you come over here to this menu, it gives you options to search. So if you name your photographs, that's something I've never gotten into, changing the names. But you could search by name. You can upload here. So if you click to upload here, you can choose photos or videos or other files. So let's just choose other files, and let's see if we can get a picture anyway. Oh, yeah. So you can say other files, and you can still choose pictures. Let's see if we could still choose videos if we do that. Oh, yeah. So, I mean, you could just choose other files, and then you'll be able to upload everything. And, well, let's go ahead and do the upload process. That way, we can see. Let's see what Flicky's got going on. Wallpapers. Let's do this one. So we upload, and it says, see, because it just grabbed all my pictures, it says, this photograph already exists in the folder. Now, I could replace it, or I could just say cancel, which I'm going to say cancel because it really literally just put it up there. And I don't think there's anything on my device that I don't have already on there. Yeah, maybe we can try a song just to see. So let's see. We upload a song, and here you see it's starting to go. So the song is uploading, and it's really pretty fast. I did it to the camera uploads, but if I had picked any folder, that's because that's the folder I was in. But if I had been here and I said upload here, it would have gone here or any one of these folders. And then, of course, like everything, you click it and you get the option to play it from right here in the Dropbox. So you get to play it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete it. So that allows us to see how we can delete it. So actually, you hold it down and it gives you these options. You can share it, you can favorite it, you can delete it, you can rename it, you can move it, or you can export it. So you can export from here as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete because I don't want that song there. And I want to show how we move a photograph. So I have a lot of pictures that I've moved already. Okay, so here we go. Some family photographs. So I'm going to hold that down and say move. Well, I get to choose where I want to move it to. So if I go to camera uploads, that's going to give me everything there. I click family and press move, and the photograph's going to go there. Now from there, I really like it because when I press move, it automatically goes there, the last place I moved to, and I can just continue to move photographs from there very easily. And I mean, of course, if you don't want to move it there, then you just select something different. So, you know, let's say for instance, I said I wanted to move this, and it went there. I would just click this to get back to where I wanted to be, and then press move. And there's a couple of pet peeves that I actually have about Dropbox. The first thing is that, let's see, let's go into the settings, and I can show you there. It says that I have, excuse me, 25.75 gigabytes. Now, originally, I had something like 5 gigabytes, and then one day they just took 3 gigabytes away, and I only had two. Well, the problem with that was I had uploaded like 3.5 gigabytes worth of stuff. So there was like a gig and a half of videos and pictures that I just couldn't access. It was there, it would show, but when I tried to click it or link it or download it, I couldn't access it. So that's another thing. Like they gave me 25 gigs when I signed into this account underneath this phone. Like these devices, they're so smart. It knew that I had, a HTC One Max, and so it offered me 20 gigs, but it only offered me for 24 months. So this is the upgrade your account. So I think the idea is you use the 25 gigs, you use it for 24 months, see how you like it. If you like it, their hope is that you would upgrade. The next upgrade is for 100 gigabytes. And I don't know if that's a one-time fee or a monthly fee, but I believe it's a monthly fee. Um, we can click here and see. Yeah, so it's $10 a month for you to have 100 gigabytes. Now, for me, I think that's a little bit steep because you just gave me 25 gigabytes for 2 years for nothing. Um, and so, I just kind of think, wow, 100 gigabytes for $9.99 a month. But I mean, ultimately, if I don't remember when the 24 months are up and my stuff gets stuck on there, I'm going to be forced to at least pay that $9.99 one month so I can go in there and move all of my stuff out of there and then cancel it. So one way or another, they're probably going to end up getting money out of you if you use them. My plan is to, hopefully remember that I have, the 24 months and just remember to remove it. But the other thing is anything personal that I have on here, like personal pictures that of my family and myself or my wife, I have that also on my SkyDrive. So I keep it on another cloud storage device. Another simpler, cheaper thing, I mean, I've been doing this for probably like 15 years, is I just email myself the pictures. I just put them all um, in one big email and send them off and label the email whatever kind of pictures they are. And that's, space. I mean, I think I have like 100 gigabytes on my Gmail account and I have like three of them. So, I mean, that's another way to hold on to your photographs. But of course, you don't have the automatic upload and all of the benefits. So I'm playing with it and I'm trying it out. I do like it. But I just don't see myself paying $10 a month to have this feature. Not with everything else. I mean, I'm already paying like $8 for Netflix, so not with everything else that I have going on. But you can link it to a computer. You can upgrade the account. We just went into that. You can invite friends. You can turn off your camera upload here in the settings once you turn it on, if you decide to. It has me as uploading only under Wi-Fi, but I have unlimited data, so I can do it under both. It says use data plan if they're under 25 megabytes. No, because sometimes I have zip files that I want to upload. And then you can do a passcode. Now, I don't know if that passcode is for when you go into the app or when you're trying to upload to the app. But either way, you can create a passcode. I'm sure it's when you come in. I think that would make the most sense. You can send feedback. You can look at the legal rights and privacies that they have written up for you. Get early releases. I don't know what that is. And then you can clear your cache here. I mean, I always think it's cool to clear your cache. Makes things run a little faster. So that's Dropbox. I have a combination of pictures and videos on here, as well as files and zip folders. So I think Dropbox is really great. I think they could look into um, maybe adjusting their price point to something like $2 or $3 a month, and maybe even give you less gigs. or give you the option to get less than 100 for something cheaper. But other than that, oh, and another pet peeve I have about Dropbox is that after you're signed in for a couple of days, it automatically just signs you out. So if you haven't used it or gone into it, even though you have it set up maybe to upload the videos automatically, it just signs you out. So you may be thinking that it's doing the automatic upload. I suggest you check it every couple of days, or before you delete something, you check and make sure that it's on your Dropbox. That's a downfall to me, because if I have it turned on for automatic upload, I would just think it would just stay connected to my phone. The only one that seems to do that is the Google Drive. Even my SkyDrive does it, and my OneNote too. I don't go into it for a couple of days, and I have to always sign back in. But this is Dropbox, and I hope that this video helps someone, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.